The song is Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein, the Amitabh Bachchan dialogue version. Okay, so this we are doing a lyrical. Okay, so based on the lyrics we have set some steps. So whatever sequence with Navya is going to perform is Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein Khayal Aata Hai, and after that the Bhootnath, which we are currently doing in the class. We have added some few steps on the last class. That also a separate video will be there for that. And this is for the Kabhi Kabhi part. Okay. So this is your starting position. The parallel stance wide open, little bit wide open than the parallel stance. Hands loose. Okay. From here you pop your right knee out and you ask a question in 45 directions towards your right. Okay. So you ask Kabhi Kabhi. The same thing on the left hand side, popping your left knee out. Okay. So you do 1, 2. The next step is Mere. So Mere, hand has to be straight. Navya, sometimes he drops his hand down. He's a little bit soft on that part. So we already told him, but do care. Take care when he practices. That is, hand is straight and sharp. Shoulder relaxed, not rigid, but hand is pretty much straight. Okay. So Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein. Just one punch down. Okay. So Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein Khayal. Okay. So Khayal is the basic step what we had taught in the class. That is leg twist outwards, but in the class we did with both the legs. Here we are doing only with one leg, which is the left leg. So we do Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein Khayal Aata Hai. So this is like you go down as if like those the dropping leaf or something. Okay. So you do Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein Khayal Aata Hai कि जिंदगी. You get into the profile position facing towards your left, and but head is in at the audience. So मेरे कभी कभी, so कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जिंदगी तेरी. You point your finger out. Okay. So जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की. Same stance again. You face front. जुल्फों की. You form an arch above your head. नर्म छाव में. Chao, you make a chow-like structure above your head. Okay. So, जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की नर्म छाओ में, और में give a knee pop. Okay. गुजर ना पात. So you go right, left, down. Little bit a stable stance. Navya knows it exactly what to do. We just take care because his legs tend to be, the stance is not normally wide. He tends to be keeping his stance close. So you go wide. Okay. Guzar na pati to Shadab. Point your left hand on the right hand side towards 45. Shadab Kho. Okay. So your left hand goes on the waist. You turn to left 45 this time. So you turn to right 45. Point with your left hand. You turn to left 45. Right leg heel up. Left leg flat foot. Okay. Left leg on the waist. Right hand on the beard on your face. Okay. Like this. And then you do as if you are rocking a chair. Okay. तो शादाब खो भी सकती थी. And you keep on rocking. After that, ये रंग. So you start as if you're painting walls. Start with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as soon as you finish the fourth, okay, ये रंग जो गम की साई है. तो गम की, on the key you'll make a book, and on साई you'll write as if you're writing something. So ये गम जो रंग की साई है. Yeah. Then what is the line? ये गम जो रंग की साई है जो दिल पे छाई है. या साई है. Then you